Adding a Visa gift card to Bank of America is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. There are 5 simple ways to transfer or add a Visa gift card to a bank account. So, first of all, you need to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal wallet. Then, the second way is to transfer Visa gift card balance to a Cash App. Right after that, you'll find out the third way to add a Visa gift card to Venmo. Also, you can sell Visa gift cards through a website or an app. And you can trade it in at a gift card exchange kiosk. So, let's get to know the whole process of adding a Visa gift card to your PayPal. First of all, open up the PayPal website. Then select your country. Enter your phone number, email, create a password, and tap to continue. The process to add gift card to PayPal is, first, click on the wallet, then link a card with it. And then, enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, then fill in address. And then, tap to link the card. To transfer a Visa gift card balance to Cash App, first of all, download the Cash App. Then, tap to launch it. After that, enter your phone number or an email address. Also, enter the secret code via text or email. Then choose a unique cash tag. Now, enter your zip code. To add a gift card to Cash App, all you need to do is simply link your bank account with it. Then, follow the same process as adding a Visa gift card. Then, to add a Visa gift card to Venmo, open the Venmo app. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. After that, tap on the Settings button. Now tap on Payment Methods. Then, you can tap on the card option and enter the card number, expiration date, CVV. Then, add your zip code.